Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing good. In today's video, we are going to show that what all we are doing. Today is Friday, so whatever we are doing on today, we are going to show in today's video. First off, let's start with our birds. Oh, and before that, we're going to show our fishes because we had to do a a quick check on them, and I forgot to tell you that most of my fishes died and only these two fishes are alive, and they are just like we took them out of the aquarium. And here are our birds. These are our lovebirds, and then there is Elisa. And so all the birds have become very annoying. They don't even let us sleep at the night. So my mom was like, we're gonna sell them because they are so annoying and they also don't let us sleep at the night. But let's see what happens. So in the morning, the most important thing is that breakfast. So first of all, my mom went straight into making that for us. For that, she is making this is the first time ever she is making this for us. I mean, not for us in the video. She's making pancakes for us, and there was a banana that was uh, not like it was not full fresh. That's why nobody was eating it, especially my bunu. And so my ammo thought to use it for making pancakes, and also it became healthier and now it is eatable. That's why she put it into the pancake mix. And then this is just a normal recipe of how we make pancakes, just putting all the ingredients in there and making and creating the batter, then just gonna put it into the pan and our pancakes will be ready. So, and also extremely sorry for my voice because I just got a cold and my voice is like, it feels like a grumpy man is speaking, but I can't do anything if I got a cold. Anyway, our pancakes are turning so nice. This one almost looked like a Doraya cake, Doraemon's favorite, but it's like my Amo did not wanted to try Doraya cake, so the rest of the pancakes she just made pancakes, not Doraya cakes. And also the shape was not perfect because she was not making a circle, she was just making pancakes for us, and it was just alright. It was not bad. It was good only. The taste was fine. It was also very healthy because there was also banana in there. That's why. But yeah, the for breakfast we had pancakes, and then I thought to add some Nutella in there. Like if I add some Nutella, first of all it was really good. It was healthy, and if we add Nutella, it will also have a good taste. So that's why I started to add Nutella in there, and I apply Nutella on the back side of the pancakes, and then I just put two pancakes, like one pancake on top of the another pancake, so like two pancakes together, if that makes sense, just like this. And then I applied Nutella for rest of the pancakes. I used like some pancakes we just ate like I just ate like not without Nutella. I ate it just like that one at the side. If you can see, I already take a bite from there, and then I kept it aside. Just like that one, we just take a bite. Like I ate without the Nutella.
It's so yummy. I love it.
And then it was almost like 4 or 4:30, but at this time we were going out to buy food for my birds. If you have seen our older videos, then you must know that we bought food for our birds in during the Ramadan time, and at that time we were fasting, and at that time we bought food for my birds. Well, now that food is finished and they need more food, so we went to the market to buy food for my birds, and we bought the food that, and here you can see the food for every pet you can have, like for cats, for dogs, for fishes, and for rabbits, and for birds, especially birds, all the animals. You can buy the food in here. And then last time we did not show you how the market was like, the birds market and the, like I should say the animal market was like. But this time we just took a short video, not that much but short, because last time we were like Ramadan time, that's why we couldn't take. But in here you can see there were so many different types of cats and birds and also dogs. There were even these peacocks, like these peacocks. It was so amazing. And also rabbits, of course, rabbits. And also there were like fishes. I do not imagine fishes, but there were also. And after that, when we came home, I was so much hungry as it was evening time and I did not had anything. So that's why I asked my ammo to make me something, and then she make me she make me ghugni. That's what we call it in our place. I really have no idea what we call it in English, but in West Bengal we call it ghugni. Anyway, my ammo made ghugni for us and we ate it. It was so super delicious. Oh, and don't worry about the recipe video because my ammo is going to post it just after a few days, and you can just wait and you can see it. Anyway, we serve it with like some onions and chilies and corianders and stuff like, and in the end it tastes so good. And I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have really not mind my voice, Anyway, don't forget to give this video a like and share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama, see you.